Tips for the first week of school. Objective. Teachers will be able to use the tips outlined in this lesson in order to have a successful first week of school. The first week of school can be stressful. There are many tasks that need to be completed before students arrive. For example, setting up your classroom, making copies, and attending several professional meetings. In this lesson, I'm going to outline some of the main tasks you need to take care of in order to be ready for the first week of school. 1. Head into school ahead of time. Setting up your classroom takes a lot of time. Going into school earlier than scheduled helps to eliminate a lot of stress. 2. Create an organized classroom. Organize all of your student and teacher supplies for easy access. This step is very important. Having all the important items set up and in their place is key. Organize your classroom resources into tubs, boxes, or folders. Organize learning materials by topic. Have an area for supplies and manipulatives. Set up a teacher area for your personal supplies and materials. Label everything. 3. Come up with your classroom management plan. Decide your philosophy, rules, procedures, consequences, and rewards. Figure out what supplies will be needed to carry out your plan. 4. Choose your classroom decor. Choose a theme or a few colors and stick with them. Decorate with care and consideration of its purpose and who will be in that space. Ask yourself if it will encourage learning or be a distraction. 5. Review your curriculum for the year. Read your curriculum. Map out the units and themes you will be teaching. Have an idea what each month will look like in your classroom. 6. Get your resources ready before the first week of school. If you have a yearly, monthly, and weekly plan ready, start preparing materials ahead of time. Go to the photocopier and run off your assignments, course syllabus, and other necessary materials. Laminate and cut required materials. Set up and gather materials. Bins, centers, and manipulatives are good ways to organize those materials. If possible, try to prep for the first 2 weeks of school, maybe even the first month. This will eliminate a lot of stress and help ease you into the school year with less drama. 7. Prepare activities for the first day and week of school. This is to set the tone for the rest of the school year. Think about how you want your class to run and plan activities that will help you set those plans in motion. Have a few activities planned for each day. 8. Spend a good amount of time teaching the rules, routines, and procedures the first week of school. 9. Reinforce positive behavior. Offer a lot of positive feedback for students picking up on routines quickly. And finally, number 10, take students on a tour of the classroom. Explain what is in all the cabinets and drawers. Show them what is accessible to them and what is off limits.